Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Raffi Abdullah. I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University. I'm from class 19.2A.21. I'm from Information System Study Program and my student number is 19242031. So today I will give explanation about malicious program and hardware. Okay, let's start. Introduction of malicious program. What is malicious program? A malicious program or malware is defined as a type of software that includes trojans, virus, worms, logic bomb, spyware, and ransomware, designed to harm PLC system by disrupting their operation, intercepting data, or locking down device. Okay, next. Types of malicious programs. Number one is virus. Virus insert itself into files and splits when the file is run. Number two is worm. Worm spreads without the need for a host, damaging networks. Next is Trojan horse. Trojan horse disguises itself as legitimate software, but contains malicious code. Number four is spyware. Spyware monitors user activity secretly. Number five is adware. Adware display excessive advertising might include spyware. So the display of the advertising is when we open might include some spyware. Number six is ransomware. Ransomware encrypts user data and demands ransom. Number seven is rootkit. The rootkit hides malicious activity or files from being detected. Number eight is keylogger. The keylogger records keyboard input to steal data. Okay, next. How malware spreads? The malware spreads from the phishing emails, from the link that sending to our emails. Number two, infected file or from download on suspicious websites. Number three, USB drives and removable media. And then fake ads or malvertising and exploits in outdated software. So you must always update your software. Then how to prevention measures. Number one is use reliable antivirus and anti-malware tools. Then keep system and software up to date. Then avoid clicking unknown links or downloading suspicious file. And regularly back up important data. Then educate users on cybersecurity awareness. Okay, next. For the conclusion, malicious programs are harmful software or malware designed to damage, steal data, or disrupt system. Common common types include virus, worms, trojans, spyware, ransomware, and keyloggers. They can spread through phishing emails, malicious downloads, USB driver, or fake ads. Impacts include data loss, financial damage, and system disruption. To prevent them, use antivirus and anti-malware tools, keep software updated, and avoid suspicious links and back up data regularly. Education and awareness are key to staying protected. Okay, next. So the next topic is hardware. What is hardware? Hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system or other part you can see and touch as opposite to software, which consists of instructions and programs. Hardware includes all the internal components. The two main type of hardware are internal hardware and external hardware or peripheral. Okay, next. So there is two main component or type of hardware. Number one is internal hardware or component. For example, motherboard, the main circuit board connecting all components. Then CPU or central processing unit, the brain of the computer, process instructions. Then RAM or random access memory, temporary memory for active tasks. Then storage or HDD or SSD, long-term data storage. Then GPU, graphic processing unit, it's for handles visual output and graphics processing. Then power supply unit or PSU, it for convert power for the system. Then external hardware or peripherals, for example, input device, keyboard, for example, like keyboard, mouse, scanner, and microphone. Then output device, for example, like monitor, printer, and speakers. And then storage device, for example, USB flash drive, external SSD or SSD. Okay, next. Function of hardware components. Number one, input. So the function to input or accept data, keyboard or mouse, then processing it for CPU handle instruction, then storage, SSD or SSD stores data, then output, deliver result, monitor, or then bit printer, then communication, device like network card and enable connection. Okay, next. Then in modern hardware, uh, number one SSD replacing SSD for faster performance. Then GPUs used for AI and gaming. And then smaller, more efficient device. Uh, Example like AG Raspberry Pi Mobile processor. And then cloud computing reduce reliance on local hardware. Uh, for the conclusion, computer hardware is essential for running software and determines a system's overall performance. Understanding both internal and external components help with troubleshooting, upgrades, and efficient use. Each party is each part plays as a role and works together with software to complete tasks effectively. Okay, next. Uh, the source of this presentation I'm taking from HTTPS www.skinsdirect.com and www.disco.com and www.study.com and www.intel.com. Maybe uh, that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.